6 Excel formulas which you should know. I think this video could be very useful to learn and use even for those who are new to Microsoft Excel. These functions can help you quickly perform calculations, extract useful insight from data, and make informed decisions based on their findings. The very basic structure of any Excel formula is to begin with an equal sign. Formulas are made up of combination of functions or simple operators. The 6 essential formulas are sum, average, count, mod, max, and min. I will discuss all these formulas one by one with example and their shortcuts in a very short time. There are advanced functions of these functions which we will discuss in another video, but before that, let us learn these basic functions. Sum. The sum function in Excel is used to add up a range of numbers. For example, if you have a list of numbers in this cell range, you can use the sum function to quickly calculate the total of these numbers. The formula will be equal sum and the range A1 colon A10. The sum function can also be used to add up multiple ranges of numbers, separating them with comma. And there is a shortcut key combination which can sum automatically. And press plus sign in your keyboard. Average. The average function in Excel is used to calculate the average of a range of numbers. Average is mean in statistics. For example, if you have a list of test scores in cells A1 to A10, you can use the average function to quickly calculate the average score. The formula will be equal average A1 colon A10. Shortcut is Alt plus H plus U plus A. Count. The count function in Excel is used to count the number of cells in a range that contains numbers or text. For example, if you have a list of sales figures in cell A1 to A10, you can use the count function to count the number of sales that were made. The formula will be equal count A1 colon A10 and the shortcut is Alt plus H plus U plus C. The count function can also be used to count cells that meet specific criteria, such as cells that contain a certain word or are greater than a certain number, using COUNTIF and COUNTIFs, which I have discussed detailed in my another video. Mod. The mod function in Excel is used to find the remainder after division of one number, which is dividend, and by another, which is divisor. In mathematics, this operation is called modulo operation or modulus, hence the name mod. The formula is equal mod A1 comma A2. It is very useful, especially at the time of scheme or incentive calculations. Max. The max function in Excel is used to find the largest value in a range of numbers. For example, if you have a list of temperatures in cells A1 to A10, you can use the max function to find the highest temperature. The formula will be equal max A1 to A10. Shortcut is Alt plus H plus U plus M. Min. The min function in Excel is used to find the smallest value in a range of numbers. For example, if you have a list of ages in cells A1 to A10, you can use min function to find the youngest age. The formula will be equal min A1 A10. Shortcut is Alt plus H plus U plus I. These are some basic but very useful functions in Excel. These are essential tools for anyone working with data in Excel. There are lots of functions. Some are complicated, some are simple. These functions can help you quickly perform calculations, extract useful insight from data, and make informed decisions based on their findings. Please like and subscribe to get the updates on Excel. Thank you for watching.